This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a Facebook business page. First thing you need to do is log on to your Facebook account, and then you'll click on the home button, and that should bring you to a screen similar to this. As far as creating your own Facebook business page, there's two ways to go about doing that, or there's two ways to get there. One way is to off to the left hand side, this little pane off to the left, look for a link that says pages. If you don't see it in here, then click see more and scroll through here until you see a link that says pages. Click on that. This will show you pages that you already have, and to create a new business page, all you got to do is click on this button that says create new page. Another way you can get to this same page here is by clicking on the plus icon. If you put your cursor over it, you'll see it says create. You click on that, and then you scroll down to where it says page. Click on that, brings you to this exact same page. And this is your page where you'll create your business website. The first thing is it asks for page information, your page name, which is required. You have to make up a name for your page. I'm just going to make something up here. And then it asks you for a category. I'm just going to put arts and entertainment. Then it asks you for a description. It gives you a 255 character limit for your description. I'm just going to paste something in here, and then you'll simply click on create page. It'll take it a few seconds here. Public domain audiobooks was created. Now you could add your images or go to the page to add more details. So now if you scroll down, you'll have an option to add your profile picture and your cover photo. The cover photo is the larger photo back here, and your profile picture is the circular one here. Your profile picture, I created one for myself here, needs to be 180 by 180 pixels. Your cover photo, or your cover picture, needs to be 820 by 312 pixels. I'm going to add a cover photo here. I'm going to select it from my desktop here. Click open. There's my cover photo. Click save. I'm going to close that screen. I'm going to add my cover photo here. I'm going to click on the little camera. I'm going to click on edit profile picture, upload. It looks about right there. I'll click save. And there's my profile picture here. Now the page has been created. About the only thing you might want to do from here would be scroll down on this left hand side to where you see it says edit page info. Click on that. You could add all kinds of info in here if you'd like. You could add your business phone number, email address. If you have a website address, you could add it in here. You could add the business's address. You could even put it in the map here. all kinds of information you could add about your business. But that's it. We've created a page here now. Now we could post on it, whatever we'd like to post on it. That's it. Thanks for watching.